Wish us luck. Let's see what we can get. All right, guys, we're on this Railroad Riches Tycoon. Trying this one again. It's been treating me well. Starting with 75. Can we hit anything with that? Let's go, let's go. Big money, big money. Ooh, come on, three more. Oh, dang it. How's it going, boss? Not too bad. This game's been treating me pretty well. It's a fun one. Last night was my first time trying it. Yeah. I was up till like 3 o'clock playing it on that machine. Oh, hell yeah. Shout out to Dan. Big wins, big wins. Come on, Dan, bring all the luck. Oh man, we just need a banks on that second column. Three more. Two more, one more, come on, drop it, come on. Oh, gonna do that to me. All right, I think we're just gonna kind of play, maybe, cash out at probably 20. Hoping we can hit something before then. Ooh, the coins just grew larger on the train. Oh man, come on, get us something here. We want to see a bonus. We want to see a bonus. 3 of them. Yeah. Give me change. Always tip your bartenders and cocktail waitresses, guys. Oh, come on, come on. Uh-oh. Come on, don't do this to me now. Don't do this to me now. Let's get one bonus. Don't make me walk away without getting it. Thank you. Yeah, ma'am. Dump 5 on me like that again. Oh man, those coins even grew just bigger. It's got a rainbow above it now. That thing is ready to go, bro. Let's go, come on. I went past my 20 marker, I know, I'm a degenerate. Come on. Oh my gosh. Come on, big money. Oh, let's go, come on. Drop those coins for me. Man. neighbor's in a bonus. Can we get a bonus as well?
Here we go.
Oh yes. Drop a pile, drop more. Okay, I'll take 4. Just don't block me in. Wow, that was it. Oh, come on, do another one.
Here we go.
Yes. Okay, that's better. Bank. Carriages. Not bad. Come on, let's go again. Where's that bonus? Oof. We're getting close to the end here, guys. I know I said I was going to stop, but I just couldn't. Hey, 420, look at that. Oh, come on. Got a couple more spins here. Let's see if we can't get something. Come on, bonus. Looks like we got one more spin here, guys. This is the last one. Thanks. Oh, hey, there we go. $6. Give me 4 spins. Will that be enough for a bonus? Coins? No. I think I've played this one out as much as I can here, guys. 2 more. Oh my gosh, it is just giving those 5s like crazy. Well, that's it here, guys. We did not get it. We're out. This one's really fun. I'm sure there's going to be a lot more coming from this machine. Like, subscribe, become a channel member for less than a cup of coffee a month here, guys. We'll see you on the next one. So with the nickel denom, came back at 2 cents. I went down like $40 real quick, and about 3 spins in, got the coin bonus here, guys. 2 cent denom, $1.50 bets. Started with 30, I think 33. All right, let's see what we can change this into here. See if I can. There we go. Open them up. Come on, don't die on me now. Open up the next railroad crossing. Come on, drop one. Ah, damn. We had riches up there on the top. 2 cent denom. $16. Not bad. We'll be back on the next one. Hopefully we get another big one like that $100 one. About 3 spins later, the train just came out. Maybe about 6 spins later. Man, these machines are just handing out these bonuses tonight. Yep, keep dropping them. They're gonna keep giving me bonuses, man. I'm gonna be staying here all night. I'm tired and ready to go to bed, but I cannot when I'm winning. Come on, riches. Green train. Oh man, it loves giving me that blue one. Let's get a green one or a red. Ooh, we need a crossing. We got a crossing. Can we make it up to the golden train? There we go. We just opened it. We just need one more. golden train. Oh, it almost gave it to me on the top left there, guys. Drop that crossing. I'm telling you, it loves to give me that blue train. Come on, cross it. Oh, don't die on me now. Don't you dare die on me now. Come on. Let's get one more. One more. You gonna save me? Nope. One more for that golden train. Again, this is 2-cent denom. Not a bad one at all. They may have to make me jump up to the nickel denom again to see if I can hit anything. And I'm really liking this. What is it? Railroad Riches. God, I'm so tired I can't even talk straight. 32 bucks. Alright guys, I'm gonna jump up the nickels again. I'm gonna give it a few more spins and see what I can't hit. I started with $33. Let's see what I can get. Alright guys, I think I'm ending it there. I didn't hit the major, but I put $33 in. Not a bad video. Like, subscribe, and if you want to be entered in any of our giveaways or bonus things we're doing at all summer, all year long technically, become a channel member. It's less than a cup of coffee a month and it really helps support us. Leave a comment if you've ever played this game. I'm really liking this. There's probably going to be a few more from this one. Alright, how's everyone doing this morning? We're going to go for that major that was never hit. Throw in a little bit of money and we're going to do a penny denom, 75 cents start out. We're going to build that bet if we can get it. We'll be right back. Alright, we're here on Railroad Riches, 75 cents on penny denom. Let's build that ticket and build the bet. See if we can't get nothing. Let's have some fun and win some funds. Oh, come on. This one was such a fun loophole that we played on last night. If you have not watched that video, go back and watch it. This is up and live. Oh, come on. Throw that train out. Super fun game. I really like this game. Let's jump up to 2 cents actually, just real quick, see if that one's gonna hit anything. Oh man, we just hit the bank right there. Oh, come on, let's get something. We had 2 bonuses there. Oh nice, there's a wire. The train. Bonus. Got the coins. Alright, we're gonna have to back this up. Trying to tilt this up here a little bit here, guys. Give me one moment. Let's get a $7 start. Alright, let's get that golden train. Let's get the golden train. There we go, starting off strong. One more to get that riches. There we go. Golden key! Nice. The blue one that loves to give me that blue one. There we go. Perfect to switch on to 2 cents too. Oh my gosh, we can get 3 of those if we get one more railroad crossing, guys. Come on, don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Come on, railroad crossing. There we go. Oh man. Dang it. It's a $52 win. Started off with 40. All right, if we get up over 100, we might just jump up to nickels for a minute. See if we can't get that bonus now. Oh my God, come on, it'll be perfect. Oh, I was like, just talk about it and it comes. Points, oh. Three more. Drop them. Oh, nice. Let's drop them. Let's drop them. So blew up. Should give me the 3 points, hopefully. There we go. Well, all right, guys. Let's bring this back up there. Back this up a little bit more here for us. All right, let's see what we can win. All right, we got 2 of those. We just need to open up 2 more roads. Let's drop those railroad crossings. Don't do this to me so early. Don't do this to me so early. There we go. Oh man, we just need 1 road to open. Come on. Nice. It saved it and we got the train. Come on, purple. Purple. Oh yes. Spin, it's going to boost up our now can we hit another railroad crossing? Come on, let's get the crossing sign. Come on. I forgot it did the boost, so I was trying to press the button. There we go. Keep saving it. Every spin. I'm down with 1 coin every spin. All right, keep them coming. Oh, now we just need to hit the railroad crossing. Last spin. Can we keep it alive? Oh, there we go. Can we keep it alive? Keep it alive. There we go. Can we get a red? I've never got the red yet. Alrighty, let's. Oh, and it's added more. Shoot. Okay. Let's keep it going. Oh my gosh, we got so many up there. We've got 2 more trains. If we can just get the crossing. Oh, yes. Red one. Come on. That's what I want to see is a red one. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Hey guys, we're getting up there. Let's go. Give us that railroad crossing. Give us that crossing. I keep trying to press the button too fast. Getting excited over here. Oh no. Come on. Railroad crossing right now. Save it. Damn. What a wonderful run. I'm really liking this game, guys. What's that? 76, 77. Nice. So I think that puts me up to nickel denom here for a minute. We're gonna give it a test and see if we can't hit one of these bonuses on building that ticket. Oh man, what a 40 in, 141.70 here, guys. Look at that. Can I get a water? Thank you. All right, we're going 375 a bet. 375 nickel denom. Here we go. Oh my God, yes. Draw those wilds all the way, Come on. Oh. Banks. There we go. What's 48, 24, 25? Nice. See that bonus. Let's see that bonus. I didn't get a lot of sleep here, guys. I was playing this machine till 2 in the morning and back down here at 8. Two more. Drop them. Oh, man. Nickel denom kicks my butt on this. We just needed to drop something real good right here. Come on, drop 4 more coins. Three more, come on. All right, guys, I think I'm going back down to 2 cents for a minute. Get the bonus. Oh, just passed too. Can we get it? Oh, dang it. Oh man, those just needed to be banks. I think we're going to cash out at 80 if we hit the 80 marker. We'll double up and walk away for a moment. You going to drop them? Come on. Ooh, the coins just grew on the train. Oh, man. Guys, 81.20 out. We started with 40 in. What a wonderful run. We did not hit any bonuses, but we'll give this one a try again. Like, subscribe, become a channel member for less than a cup of coffee a month. See you guys on the next one.